This is the only packing list that you need for college or boarding school. I can personally vouch for the fact that a lot of these items are very applicable to boarding school. As someone who did go to a boarding school during her high school career, a lot of these items are very applicable to the boarding school living situation, as it's a living situation very similar to college living. Rather than being just one long mega list, it's going to be broken down into smaller bits, smaller sections based on categories for different rooms in the house and different functions. Reasoning behind most items on this list is pretty self-explanatory, so I won't be elaborating on really any of these items unless I feel the need to. Feel free to check the timestamps that will either be in the description box down below or hopefully pinned within the comment section if you want to jump to specific parts of the video based on the category you are looking into getting things for your college living situation. At the end of every single category section, I will also be putting up a comprehensive written list of everything that I listed in that categories section of the video. So feel free to screenshot that as needed for future reference when you are shopping for those items in the near and far future. All these items are merely suggestions and they're all based on my own personal experiences as someone who went through boarding school and is currently a student in college. And feel free to sort of personalize the list. Take from that list what you know will suit your lifestyle and meet your needs in college or boarding school. If you see me looking off to the side throughout this video, it's just because I happen to have a full list pulled up on my laptop that I'm also looking at. Mattress cover or mattress protector, mattress pad or foam British accent, hello, foam topper, fitted and loose twin XL sheets. Getting just the twin size rather than twin XL, it works fine. A comforter or duvet, throw blankets, pillows and pillowcases, earplugs and sleeping masks for those who are light sleepers. Bathroom items, and specifically for those living with communal bathroom situations, I highly recommend getting a shower caddy to hold all of your personal hygiene items. I recommend a plastic caddy just because it happens to be easier to keep clean, easier to prevent molding. Stick to a plastic one. And get shower shoes, either flip-flops or slides, whatever works for you. Bathroom items that are for the apartment living situation, or if you're living in a suite or just having a private bathroom to yourself. Toilet paper holder if needed, tissues, toothbrush cups or holders, hand soap, bar soap and a soap dish if you're going to be using bar soap, washcloths for your hands, shower curtain, a plastic shower curtain liner, shower curtain hooks, bath mat, and a small trash bin for the bathroom. Bathrobe, more than one bath towel as well to make it easy to switch off towels when one is in the dirty laundry pile, face towels, shower essentials such as body wash, shampoos, conditioners, other hair products, face wash and skincare products, razors and shaving cream, and also a shower cap if you happen to use one in the shower. Hygiene essentials like a toothbrush and toothpaste, dental floss or floss picks, mouthwash, deodorant, lotion, moisturizers, body oils and sunscreen, combs and brushes, hair tools such as flat irons, hair dryers, rollers, curling wands, etc. Nail care kit, cotton balls, cotton pads, and cotton swabs. Feminine hygiene products also if that is applicable to you. You're gonna need your eyeglasses, contact lenses, lens solution if applicable to you, sunglasses just in case. Have a first aid kit on hand. You can find one at your local Walmart or Target or nearby pharmacy. Hand sanitizers, thermometers, at-home COVID tests if you feel that you really want to be extra safe. Some disposable masks just in case so you don't spread things to other people, especially if you are in a shared living space. Any prescription medication that you might have, over-the-counter medication, pain relief such as Advil, Tylenol, Dayquil, ibuprofen, cough drops, eye drops, calamine lotion, and any other cough or cold medicine in general. Bring vitamins and supplements if you happen to take those regularly when you're at home.
My
Our next section is highly personalized, and that's just because it depends on what the weather is like wherever it is that you're going. Only bring what you know you are going to wear. Bring everyday clothing like t-shirts and tanks and blouses and other tops. Bring pants, jeans, leggings, shorts, hoodies, sweatshirts, and also bring school merch if you have it, because a lot of schools are very big on school spirit, especially at sporting events. So bring school merch if you happen to have it. Gym appropriate attire, pajamas as well, underwear and undergarments, pieces of formal wear as well. So things like formal dresses and also business attire, because you never know what kind of occasion you might be going to. Even if you don't think that you're going to be having a special occasion when you're on campus, appropriate outerwear that will match whatever weather will be over wherever you're staying, from light to heavy winter jackets and coats, hats, gloves, scarves, etc. 1 to 2 pairs of everyday shoes. I suggest at least 2 pairs of everyday like sneakers or shoes that are comfortable for walking. Bring a pair of boots. Bring formal or dressy shoes as well to match your formal and business attire. A swimsuit, especially if your university is near beaches or swimmable lakes, or if your rec center has a really good indoor or outdoor pool. Swim cap, swim goggles, other swim related gear in general. Jewelry and other accessories like watches and headscarves. Bring more hangers than you think you need, because of the fact that it's easy to underestimate the actual amount of clothes that you are packing while you're away at college. This is also very personalized because you'll pick and choose things that really fit your living style and things that will help to maximize certain areas of your living space. A tiered rolling utility cart, you can find it at your local Walmart, IKEA, Target. A rolling plastic drawer cart, stackable storage bins with lids, hanging, foldable, collapsible closet organizer, small shoe rack, especially if you're in an apartment, over the door hooks, small storage ottoman. I personally didn't have one, but I knew a lot of people who did, and it helped with maximizing space. Bunk bed caddy if you are going to be high off the ground. A jewelry box or organizer if you have a lot of jewelry and accessories. Appropriate desk organizers, whether it be a top of desk organizer that will provide extra shelving space, or an in-desk organizer that will go into a drawer to help organize your stationery and writing utensils as well. Desk lamp, an alarm clock, a standing desktop mirror or makeup mirror, paper and paper organizing products like folders, binders, notebooks, index cards, and loose leaf paper. Writing and drawing utensils, also get a case for them. A calculator, a backpack, even if you are into tote bags more so than backpacks. Also get some really important stationery and desk items, things like stamps and envelopes, sticky notes, tape, paper clips, hole puncher, stapler, and also scissors. First off, make sure that you know whether or not it's furnished or unfurnished. If it's unfurnished, you're gonna have to get things like a bed frame and a mattress, a dresser if there's no closet, a couch or sofa, coffee table, a dining table and chairs, personal desk if there's no desk being provided. Furnished or unfurnished, then you might still want to look into getting a personal desk chair, because sometimes the ones provided are a little painful to sit in. Additional chairs for additional seating, ottomans, and also a floor lamp. Who am I to exactly tell you what you should or shouldn't get for food related items? But something that I think every college student or boarding school student should have is instant and quick food options. Ramen, instant mac and cheese, and also instant oatmeal. There's a lot of options out there, so just go check those out. Some snacks, microwave popcorn, granola bars, gummies, dried fruit, hot beverage stuff like coffee pods, tea bags, and hot chocolate packets, a couple of plates, bowls, and cups. The disposable, the reusable plastic, and also the glass and microwave safe variety. Water bottles and Tupperware or food containers, chip clips, Brita water filters, some eating utensils, as well as, oh, voice crack, dish sponges and dish soap as well. Kitchen stuff for an apartment setting if you're going to be in your own kitchen. Dishwasher soap, which is different from dish soap. Rinse agent or rinse aid. Dish drying rack. Cooking utensils like spatulas, spoons, knives, tongs, a whisk. Cutting boards, can opener, pots, pans, and lids. Oven mitts and pot holders. A strainer, a colander, measuring spoons or cups. Mixing bowls, casserole dish, a baking sheet, or a baking pan if you are into using stuff like that. Plastic Ziploc bags, as well as tin foil and plastic / saran wrap, or if you're gonna have leftovers that you're storing in the fridge as well. Appliances, not just for the kitchen, but just for your general improvement of living in whatever space you are going to be in. Got a mini fridge. Check your university for its rules on what sized mini fridges you can bring. A microwave, an electric kettle for hot water, small Keurig and frother if you're into making coffee, an electric hot pot or mini rice cooker, because that's just something very convenient to have so you don't have to rely on the communal kitchen. Small kitchen appliances, stuff like small air fryers, toasters, blenders. Some appliances for air and temperature improvement if you happen to have just terrible air and air conditioning or heating wherever it is you're living. A diffuser, an air purifier, a humidifier, a small standing fan, or a space heater, depending on your living situation. A vacuum cleaner, Swiffer mop if you have wood floors, broom and dustpan, iron and clothing steamer, and a mini ironing board as well, or a full-sized ironing board if you're gonna be in the apartments. Clothing hamper, preferably a fabric one or one that can be zipped shut. A garment bag to protect your formal and business attire. A lint roller. Liquid laundry detergent. I'm against Tide Pods because sometimes they will not break down and dissolve properly in the washing machines. Fabric softeners, stain lifters and removers if you feel you might need that. Laundry drying rack. It's good in cases where you have hand washed clothes or cases of broken dryers when on campus, because it does happen. Cleaning tools such as rubber gloves, sponges, a toilet brush, plunger if you want to be extra prepared, cleaning rags as well. Cleaning products like paper towels, a window or mirror surface cleaner, also all-purpose cleaners as well, disinfectant sprays and wipes, and toilet cleaners if you aren't going to be in communal bathrooms. So of course, bring your phone, your tablet or iPad, and a stylus or Apple Pencil if applicable to you. Bring a laptop and a laptop sleeve, as well as headphones or earbuds, respective chargers for all of those personal devices, an extra long cord for charging because sometimes the outlets in rooms are in very odd and inconvenient spots. Smart speaker if you happen to have one and you really want to bring it along with you. Bring a desktop monitor as well. Some people don't have them, but I had one this past year and it was such a good investment. It was a really great thing to have at my desk in cases if you want a bigger screen and you don't want to be like hunched over looking at your laptop, which is a smaller screen than a desk monitor. Keyboard and mouse, a game console if you happen to be someone into gaming, smaller TV. I know some people actually did bring those to campus. Power bank or a portable charger, as well as power strips, extension cords, things like external hard drives, SD card readers, and also a dongle, especially if you are a MacBook user. These are things that didn't really fit into specific categories or they stretch across categories. A bike and a good bike lock, as well as an electric scooter, a skateboard or longboard. Not necessary at all, but they're very useful for some people in having an alternate form of transportation. An umbrella. Small sewing kit can easily be found at your local craft store, and it's really helpful if your clothing rips or a button falls out or a seam comes loose. Bug spray. Get a suitcase. It seems kind of self-explanatory for some people, but it's pretty easy to leave behind, especially if your college is within driving distance of your home. If you do have a suitcase and you know you're going to be flying and catching flights back home, do bring a luggage scale because that's going to be very helpful for you. Personal sports equipment like tennis rackets and your own basketball or your own volleyball if you're looking into playing with friends or just playing intramural sports as well. Extra bags like totes, purses, and clutches, foldable stepping stool or a small step ladder, and it helps you to reach a lot of those high up shelves. A basic toolkit. The next thing is so important. So you gotta listen about this one. Make sure that you bring important documents, important personal documents, things like your student and your state ID, your driver's license, credit and debit cards. Bring an insurance card as well. Bring a passport if you need to. And another thing that a lot of people don't think about is if you're looking to get a job on campus, you may or may not need to be bringing copies of things like your social security info, birth certificate, any other important info as well. So the thing with those documents is you do need to keep them in a very secure place since they are very, very personal documents. You are gonna need a miniature safe, one that can lock. So bring a lock and a key. One final item that I think is very helpful with the whole move-in process, since a lot of carts get very hogged because everyone's moving in at the same time, it gets pretty crazy. Bringing a foldable 4-wheel dolly cart. So you don't always have to wait on getting carts from other people because usually they have a limited amount of carts while you are moving in. There's only so many carts and so many students moving in at the same time. So that concludes today's video on the ultimate packing list for college and boarding school students. I did a lot of research for this video, honestly, and a lot of brainstorming over the past week just to compile this really long list for all of you guys. So if it was really helpful, please consider giving this video a huge like and letting me know in the comment section down below. As well as if you happen to have any suggestions or add-ons for this list, let me know in the comments. Consider subscribing if you want to see more general college content from me in the future, because there's definitely more to come in the near future. Thank you so much for all of you choosing to click on this video and watching through to the end. I wish you all the best in your college or boarding school journey. Happy packing, and I will see you in my next video.